How to connect a fiber laser welding matchet to a chain making machine. Step 1. Connect the display to the welding machine. Step 2. Connect the wires. Step 3. Connect the emergency stop button to laser welding machine. Step 4. Connect the AC 220 volts power cord. Step 5. Connect the signal cable to the welding machine. Step 6. Connect the other end of the signal cable to the back of the chain making machine. Step 7. Rotate the mechanism by hand to make sure the gears of the chain making machine do not collide with the induction wire. Step 8. Place the laser head on the chain making machine, then turn on the red light. Step 10. Adjust the distance of the laser head to ensure the red light is properly focused. Step 11. Tighten the laser head fixture. That's it, your machine are now connected and ready to use.